Last I got that sinking in my stomach from that loss. Of course it's got me thinking's got me flummoxed from the cause. I just wanna know why some of us are guarded. I just wanna know why some of us are haunted. Casting the skies, all we ever wanted. All of us got distracted by the trees inside the forest, 'cause I was never ready for this. So I can't tell where my heart is. No, it's all in for this. So I can't tell where my heart is. No, it's all in for this.
So it's been a week since I brought back the Hot Wheels series again, and this time guys I'm back with a cool car, and it's not the Hot Wheels series, so you guessed it, this is well, the car looks pretty interesting, guys, cause yes, this is the 57 Plymouth Fury, guys, and it's a very cool one with all the flames on it. It's got 2 out of 10 in HW Flames. Well, it's not the same as the Hot Wheels Flame. This is completely flames. I mean, in flames, okay? Whatever. Well, when was the last time when I unboxed the Plymouth? Oh yeah, it was the Barracuda S, the 1968 Barracuda S. If you want to check it out, it'll be in the HW playlist. Yes, go and check it out there. Oh yeah, there's nothing at the back. There's just some Chrysler and Goodyear's licensed product blah blah thing. Alright, so why don't we just go for the unboxing right away, right now. Unboxing of the Plymouth. Finally out of the box, the Plymouth Fury. Yes, it's a really cool and amazing looking car, guys. It's a very cool classic. Love the design on its front end, and I totally forgot to tell you guys, like the Barracuda S had the same decal, like the flaming decal with the white paint. It really looks so amazing, and I love the gold wheels. If you haven't checked that out, it'll be in the HW playlist as I told earlier. So yeah, this is pretty nice at the front though. It has a lot of classic details. Love the headlamps, but it's not so very detailed, and I don't like the tint also. The interior is pretty decent. I guess you guys can see that. Well, yeah. Alright, the wheels are also pretty decent. Good for a classic car. Love the decals, love the number 57 and the flaming decals. Oh my god, that's so nice. And in the rear, wow, the view is pretty nice. You've got the twin exhausts. Pretty cool. Yeah, this is how the bottom looks like. Oh, shiny because of the light. Sorry guys. Well, yeah, here it's written Plymouth Fury, guys. It's amazing. Love the design. Its classic looks is so nice, and the Plymouth logo too, pretty nice. Well, except for the side view mirrors, everything is amazing on this car, guys. So yeah, why don't we just go for the info now? Here it comes. No, some short info about the Plymouth Fury, guys. So beginning with the engine is a 5.2 liter twin 4-barrel V8, guys. Yes, the cool V8. And moving on to the horsepower is 290 horsepower. Not bad. That was back in 1957. That's really not bad. And talking about its top speed, the top speed of this car is 115 miles per hour, which is 185 kilometers per hour. Again, not bad. It is really cool. I mean, back in 57, that is really a good number. Well, that is the info, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week, and do check out my previous videos too. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.